Hey guys, and welcome back to new on this channel. So today is the much awaited date when the giveaway is ending. So now I will make a random extraction of these comments. So let's count how many people joined this giveaway. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So there are 20 comments here on my YouTube channel in this video. So let's go ahead and make a random.org from 1 to 20. And when I will hit generate, the number of comment which will be resulted here will be the winner, and I will let him know about his prize. So if you watch this video, who subscribed and also commented here, check this right now because you might be the winner of the plugin, and I will reply to your comment and yeah, try to contact you. If you are the winner, contact me directly and you can claim your prize. So let's go ahead and click here generate. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 15. So let's see who is number 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So Mr. Amine Wu, you are the lucky winner. I will get in touch with you and you can claim your prize. So let's reply to this comment here. So hello, after the extraction based on comments, you are the winner of this giveaway. Congrats. Contact me directly at my email to claim your prize. Reply. And let's also pin this comment just to, he will probably get another notification because his comment is pinned now. So let me check also his profile here about, and he does not have a contact email, but I will try to get in touch with him with this comment. Okay, so if you want more giveaways to be hosted here on CodeRevolution, and if you want also other plugins to give you guys away, let me know in the comments of this video, and in other occasions I will host also other giveaways. If you liked this giveaway, this was the first one I hosted, and yeah, this was also trying things out on my part that I haven't tried before. So if you enjoyed this giveaway, give a thumbs up, and until next time, have a nice day. Bye bye.